Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to highlight text in Microsoft Publisher document. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show highlight text. Now, firstly, now select from a text. Now going to the insert menu option, then click for a shape option. Now click for rectangle shape. Now zoom your face. Now create your shape in the text. Now going to the shape fill option, then in choose color. Now I choose from a yellow color and click for shape outline, then click for no outline color, then click for a send backward option, then click for a send backward. That it's then you show highlight text in Microsoft Publisher. Then again another text in highlight text. Now select from a, now going to the insert menu option. Now click for shape option. Now select from a rectangle shape, then create a shape in a text. Now going to the shape fill option. Now click for a color. Now I choose from a red color and click for shape outline, then click for no outline color and click for a send backward, then click for send backward. That is, then you show highlight text in Microsoft Publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.